Hi everyone, welcome to today's session about Jenkins pipeline and pipeline as a code, how we are going to work about it. And this is Mithun. So let's come down to the point directly. Usually when we create a Jenkins jobs, we clone it from GitHub and try to do a pipeline. So first we will see what are the options available for us in Jenkins. So in Jenkins, to create a pipeline, we have declarative pipeline and a scripted pipeline. So how we have today, we're going to discuss about declarative pipelines. So what exactly is a declarative pipeline? So it's a simple way of creating a pipeline where it starts with a pipeline as a comment, and in scripted, if we have to know about the knowledge and Groovy, and you would see that it's start with a node. So I've just given a simple declarative pipeline code here and a scripted one. So coming down to the declarative, so it start, as I told you, it's a pipeline. Would start with pipeline, that's a top level, and agent anywhere to build the code, and stages we have where to work happens or where work happens, and we can give the name for this build and what are the steps involved in it. So the stages and the steps can be the number of things that we have to manipulate. So we will directly see how a manual job works on a Jenkins. So let us quickly go to my Jenkins server is working on AWS T2 Micro. Using the IP for IP address, and let me just log in. Port number 8080. Okay, so since I've already logged in, it is not asking for me the password, username and the password. So in manual case, we will just type manual manual build, and it's a freestyle, all a freestyle project. So click on OK. So when we scroll down, we have an option here, add build steps. So it would be an executive shell, and I'm going to write echo welcome to manual build for double web app, and I will go ahead and apply and then save. Let's click on build now. Okay, it is created, and click on console output. It shows that welcome to manual build affordable web app. It's showing up there, and it is finished and successful. So this is how simple we are doing a manual build. So our today's task is for creating a pipeline. So if we are trying to create a pipeline, the first step is click on manage Jenkins. We have to have a manage plugin. So in manage plugin, we should have a pipeline plugin that should be installed. It should be when we have it, can just check in the installed option. If it is installed, then well and good. If it is not, we have to come down to available and then check for the pipeline. So that's we are good to go. And now we have click on new item. So we will type pipeline affordable weapon app and click on pipeline, and then click on OK. So we scroll up down, so we have the pipeline script and the pipeline SCM. So we'll select pipeline script and pipeline. So we'll open a brace, and agent is any for us right now, and now we have stages. Stages, we'll open a brace. So stages here. In stages we have stage, in stage let me write the name affordable. Okay, in that steps we would try open up and write echo welcome to pipeline web app. Okay, I'll use Groovy Sandbox. I'm just removing it. Stages we started, affordable, it's there. Okay, let's see, apply. One, two, three. Okay, we should have close brace for this one. So that means that's the reason it shows up. Let's save this one and let's click on build now. So okay, let's go to the build now itself. So we have it shows successful. That's the name that we're given for the pipeline here. It's choosing the right pipeline, and now click on log and it shows that we have update welcome to pipeline affordable web app. So that's also is working fine. So that means we have the right code and information. So today we just started with just Jenkins pipeline, and in pipeline we have declarative and scripted. So we are writing a declarative pipeline, and in declarative pipeline we talked about, we'll start with the pipeline, that's the top level, and then we created a manual job, how to in Jenkins how to write a manual job, and then we also created a pipeline job. In pipeline job we checked with the the plugin pipeline, and in the scripted plugin, so a declarative pipeline, that we have added a code and executed the code. So that's for today's session. So we are going to come up with the other options and how we are going to build the other pipelines, and on a real-time case. So we're gonna come up with those videos pretty soon. So stay tuned with us, and you have a great day ahead, and bye for now.